Go get it.
Okay, now see here. So we have done up to, I think, question number 5, 6. No, up to question number 5 we have done, right? So in question number 6 was your homework. The 6 is the population of a country was 5,10,37,200 in the year 2000. In the year 2010, the population became 5,74,69,450. What was the increase in population? It's very simple. Have you all done this question? You have to find the increase in population. Just we have to here only we have to subtract. First we will write this number, increase in population equals to this much, and then this number, actual population, and then we will subtract.
Okay.
Have you done 5 and 9? Have you done this question? No? Or yes?
What?
Have
I
you
couldn't
done
hear you.
Yeah.
What?
You can't hear me? Can you hear me?
Oh, now I can hear you.
Okay. So how you make the statement in question number 6? In question number 6, how to make the statement? The population, increased population of a country equals to, like, we are doing this question number 6. Increased population. Of a country. Equal to 10,37,200. Now the next one is actual population. Actual population of a country. equals to 5. Oh, wait a minute. Increased population is not this much. Here it will be 574. 574. So it will be 5, 7, 4, 6, 9, 4, 5, 0. And the active population was 1,510,372,000. Now for finding increased population, we will find the difference. So what we will get here? 0, 5, 2, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay. So increase. So in last, what we will write? Increase in population. Increase in population. Equals to this much. Equals to 64,32,250. This is the answer. Okay. Now let's see the next question. A man bought a piece of land for rupees 8,53,760. He spent rupees 15,46,920 to build a house on it. After that, he sold the house for 30 lakh. How much money did he gain? So first of all, do you know what is CP? Do you know what is CP? The cost price? CP, SP, gain, loss. Okay. Hello, 515.
Hello. Today I'm at my aunt's house, and they don't have any Wi-Fi, so I just use my phone. So.
Okay, no problem.
And it says I can't turn on my camera for some reason, like it isn't working.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Okay, now see here, everyone. Before starting question number 7, okay, for doing question number 7, we need to understand some concept. The concept of CP and SP, that is the cost price and the selling price. So first of all, let's see what is CP. First of all, CP. CP means cost price. The price at which we purchase something. That is called cost price. Now the next is SP. SP means selling price. The price at which we sell any object or anything is called selling price. And the next one is profit or gain. Profit, next term is profit or gain, both are same. In some question it is written profit, or in some question it is written gain. So profit and gain is, that is the amount. Suppose Cost price means purchasing price. Selling price means the price at which we have sell the item which we have purchased. So suppose there is a sugar. Okay, suppose you want to purchase 1 kg of sugar. Okay, and the cost price according to, let's talk with the Indian price, according to the price of sugar is suppose 38 rupees. Okay, I'm talking about the Indian price. I don't know about their price on your side. So let's assume that the price of the sugar, 1 kg price of sugar is rupees 38. Okay, just a minute. Suppose we have to purchase a sugar. Okay, I have purchased this sugar, it means CP. Okay, at what price I have purchased? I have purchased at rupees 38 rupees per kg. 1 kg price of sugar is rupees 38. Okay, and I have sell that 1 kg sugar. SP means sell. I have sold that sell that 1 kg sugar at rupees 40. Now can you see, I have purchased in 38 rupees and I have sold it in 40 rupees. So can you see the difference? What is the difference? Can you see the difference in the amount, in the price? There is a difference of 2. Is it?
Yes.
So do you know what is this 2? This 2 rupees is the profit or gain. Why this is profit and gain? Because we have purchased some sugar or any item in less amount, in less rupees. Okay, I have purchased something in less amount and I have sold that item in more amount, in more price. So the difference between them is the gain or profit. So see for here, what will be the gain or profit? Profit or gain will be 2 rupees. How 2 rupees? That is SP minus CP. SP minus CP. So from here we have got one formula that SP minus CP is gain or profit. Okay. So at the item at which we have purchased, the price at which we have purchased any item, that is called the cost price. And the rate at which we have sold any item, that is called the selling price. And the difference that we have got, okay, that is SP minus CP. Selling price minus cost price is the profit or gain. Now next term is loss. Our next term is, now see what is loss. Suppose you have purchased a sugar. Wait a minute, let me clear this space. Now see. Now our next term is loss. So suppose we have purchased sugar, 1 kg sugar at price 40. Now it's opposite. Now suppose C this is selling price. Yes? Yes? Do you have any confusion?
I was lagging for a little bit, so I didn't hear you.
Yes? Any confusion? 5.5.
I don't have a
Five.
book because
What?
and I don't have a book, so I don't
No,
have anything personal.
listen, no need of books. I have whatever I'm teaching you, that the same page I am uploading in the files. Okay, go to Teams, then go to the files. Here you will see the folder. Okay, that the worksheet that we are solving, I have posted that worksheet in the folder named 12 August. Okay, open that folder. You will find this worksheet. Okay.
Okay, you want me to?
No, whatever work we are doing in the class, so that worksheet after the class I am posting there. Okay, daily, so daily you can check the all the folders. Previous work also, whatever we have done, all the worksheet are posted there in different folders. Okay, so you can go and you can check there. Okay, now let's see. So here the condition is opposite. So what the condition? Here we are purchasing the sugar in more amount, in more price, that is in rupees 40. And now we are selling the same sugar in the less price, that is rupees 36. So can you see the difference? There is a difference of 4, that is 40 minus 36, difference is 4. So this 4 is our loss. Why it is our loss? Because any item we are purchasing in more amount and we are selling the same item in less amount. So this is our loss, because we have paid much rupees for the same amount, but we are not selling the same amount in the more price or in the same price. So the whatever difference is there, that was our loss. So the formula for loss is CP minus SP. Formula for loss is CP minus SP. So here we have seen two things. Okay. That first is loss equals to CP minus SP, and profit or gain any word can be used in the question, whether it is asking for the profit or it is asking for the gain. Both are same, don't get confused. So the formula for profit and gain will be SP minus CP, that is the opposite formula. SP minus CP. Okay, that is selling price minus cost price. Now up to here, is it clear to everyone? Is this formula? Any confusion here? Then please tell me.
What does SP mean?
SP is selling price.
What does CP mean? You're lagging.
So whenever the cost price means CP is more and selling price is less, then there will be the condition of loss. And when the selling price is more and cost price is less, then there will be the condition of profit or gain.
Okay.
Now tell me, is this point is clear to all? Because if it is not clear, then you will not be able to solve the question. So first tell me, this CPSP profit gain, is this point is related to this only? Everyone tell me, if anyone is having any question, please ask. So is this clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So now let's see question number 7. Because question number 7 is related to this only. Now let's see question number 7. A man bought a piece of land for rupees 8,53,760. So see, bought means he has purchased. That means this is the cost price. So first, let's start with the CP, which means cost price of land. Cost price of land is rupees. Bought means purchase, that is the cost price. So it was rupees 853. Eight five three 760. So this is the CP of land. Now let's see the next line. He spent rupees 15,46,920 to build a house. A man has done to build a house. So what we will do here, we will write the expense to build a house. Expense in building the house. In building house, that is equals to 15 lakh 15,46,920. Now let's see the next line. After he had sold the house for rupees, see here now the sold, after that he has sold the house for rupees 30 lakh. So now before going to the selling price, we will see here. First we will see here CP of the land. It means the cost price of the land at which he has purchased is given. Okay. Now next is expense in building the house is given. It means he has given money for purchase of land also, and he has given money in other expense for building the house also. So first what we will do, we will find the total CP. Total CP means total amount that he has used or he has used in purchase of land and in building the house. So let's find out the total CP. We will add 0 plus 0 will be 0, 6 plus 2 will be 8. Okay. Now 9 plus 7 will be 16. 6 here 1 16. Now 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 1 10. 0 plus here 1 carry. Now 4 it's 9 1 10. Now 4 plus 5 is 9 and 1 carry will be 10. 0 here 1. Now 8 plus 5 will be 13 plus 1 14. 1 carry, 1 plus 1 will be 2. So up to here we have got, this is the total cost price 2400680. So first write here total cost price, total CP, that is cost price of a man. total CP. This is the CP. Now see the next question. Next line. After that,
Lagi.
Hello, I think she's lagging.
Hello?
I think she's lagging. So, you guys wanna wait? Yeah, on her laptop, there's like this laptop. There's like this thingamajigger on a thing, and it said closing down. I know. It was a hurricane. In London, there was a hurricane. Yeah. Oh, see that? Okay. So on our backyard is flooding.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
You
You're lying. Yeah.
Where's the teacher?
I just feel like my dad is about to get a car to keep. Huh? What did you say? Our sister.
Why did the teacher leave?
Because she's lying.
At least I don't.
It's her internet.
Do you think she'll come back?
Yeah, she'll come back.
Oh.
So emergency doesn't come back until 9:30. I'm about to go to Canada tomorrow for 3 days. Fun.
Ah. Hakilik. Oh.
But I'm going to Canada.
And I'm going to Minnesota.
I'm gonna go to Canada to stay.
Huh?
I'm gonna go to Canada and live in like a house for us only.
I'm going to live in Minnesota.
It says that there's a pool behind our park, and it says that there's a pool behind our backyard, and there's a beach nearby.
Oh yeah, guess what? There's a lot of lakes near the house that I'm gonna get in Minnesota.
Oh, at least there's no crazy rabbits that's coming right in front of your doorstep. Like,
Better. I can great see. They're a lot away.
So, you guys are gonna go to vacation anywhere? When?
Me?
You, I already know where you go. You're gonna go to Minnesota. My dad says he's never gonna come to your house, even if it's your birthday. He's just gonna do a virtual call.
Wow. Wow.
Dad is gonna send like $200 to you for your birthday.
So much for being my cousin. Wait, 100? Can you make it 1,000?
No, it's 200. For 200 Robux, you can buy over.
I don't want.
You can buy like 200,000 Robux with the money that my dad is gonna give me, but that's never gonna happen.
Crazy.
The random has no legs. Oh.
See, I told you. Now you hush up. Mm-hmm.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I do now.
Actually, there is some problem in my laptop. It was not starting. I don't know what happened. So I think I have to continue with the phone.
Okay.
If you don't mind, can I share the sheet? Because the laptop is not working. That's why I have to share it. Okay. So loud. Wait a minute.
Okay.
Okay. Now see here. I have written here so that you can understand. So the profit of a man Okay, so house sold for rupees 30 lakh. Can you see? Is the image is clear to you?
Sure.
Yes.
Wait a minute, let me see. Is there any option to share? Just a minute.
Yeah, there's a way to share. There's like a
Yeah, wait a minute. I am seeing that in mobile also there is any option to share or not.
Yeah, you can share. No, wait, I already.
Okay. Can you see? Can you see now?
no.
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 Let's see it.
Yes.
Oh,
Now can you see?
Yes.
Let's see it.
I see it.
I can see it.
Okay, yes. Now see. See, so here see that is the house sold house for rupees 30 lakh. This is the SP. This 30 lakh is the SP. So above we have find the cost price. Total cost price CP is 24 lakh 680. And in the question it is given the SP is 30 lakh. Right? So now what is the condition? Okay, first of all see whether the CP is more or SP is more. Everyone check whether cost price is more or the selling price is more. See and tell me, this is CP, see here written 24 lakh 680 is the cost price and 30 lakh is the selling price. So which is more? Cost price is more or selling price is more?
Oh, what?
Yes?
Can't hear that much. I
What
can't.
question?
Which is no, see the screen. Don't see the question. See the screen that I have find out. Total expense of man. Can you see the total expense of man?
Yes.
So that is 24 lakh 680, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Yes.
This total expense is the cost price, that is CP.
Okay.
Okay, and in the question given, SP is 30 lakh. Selling price is 30 lakh. So now tell me which is more? Cost price is more or selling price is more here? See the number, see the amount. Can you see the selling price is more? Selling price is 30 lakh. Can you see?
Yes.
Yes.
30 lakh.
So,
I
yes.
can't see it.
Can't you see my screen?
The one that, yes, but I can't.
Yeah.
I don't know where the 30 lakh is.
No, in the wait.
The one that's near SP and CP minus.
Yes,
SP
that
minus,
SP. Okay, wait a minute. I am showing. Wait a minute. I am showing you.
Is it the one that has 9, 10, 9, 10, 9, 10? It has like
9,
plus.
10. Wait, I am writing in another copy. Then you can see that. Okay. Let me stop presenting. Okay. Now see here. Okay, now see. See here everyone. CP we have find out. Cost price we have find out of CP of man. Total CP of man we have found. What was the total CP of man? Rupees 24 lakh 680. This was the total CP of man. And in the question it is given SP of man. SP of man is given SP for the sale of house. So that is 30 lakh. Now, can you see the amount? We have find out the cost price this much and selling price is given 30 lakh. Selling price of house. So, which is more? 24 lakh is more or 30 lakh is more? Which is more?
30.
So it means selling price is more. Selling SP, that is selling price, is more than cost price. So what the condition will come here? When the selling price is more than the cost price, so what the condition is here? That is the condition of gain, profit, right?
Yes.
Yes. So gain, the formula for gain is, what is the formula for gain? Formula for gain is SP minus CP. This
Yeah.
is the formula for gain. So how we will find the gain? So first we will write selling price of house equals to rupees 30 lakh. Now we will write cost price of house. That is rupees 24 lakh 680. So, and now we will subtract SP minus CP. So we will subtract. So what it will come? 0 minus 0 will be 0. Here it will become 10. So 10 minus 8 will be 2. It will become 9 because we have given 1. 9 minus 6 will be 3. Now it will become 9. 9 again because we have given 1 carry. So it will become 9. 9 here 9 minus 0 will be 9. Again it will become 9. 9 minus 0 will be 9. Again it will become 9. 9 minus 4 will be 5 and it will become 2. 2 minus 2 will be 0. So this is our gain, or you can say it as profit. Now tell me, is this clear?
Yes.
Yes.
So this question is clear now, okay? So for finding, whenever the question is asking to find the gain or loss, so what you will do, you will just do like this only. Okay, first you have to find the selling price, then you have to find the cost price. So in the whenever the cost price of a building is given, and in addition to that, some other expenses are also given. So how you will find the total cost price? You have to add all the expense in the cost price. That will be your final cost price. Okay, how to find the final cost price? Add all the expenses that are incurred after purchasing or while purchasing any item, right? So how you will find the total cost price? We will add all the expense, including the purchase. Okay, that will be the total cost price, and selling price is given. What are you doing? Okay, so now let's see the next one. Please mute. Okay. Now I'm sharing the next question. Just a minute.
Where's Gina? Where's teacher?
Okay, now see the next question here.
Is there a waste?
See the screen. Next question number 8. A man had 1 crore. Okay, a man had rupees 1 crore. So he spent rupees 12 lakh 60,750 50 to buy a car.
What eraser? Okay.
The next part is rupees 52,53,600 to buy a flat and rupees 5,68,440 to furnish the flat. How much money was left with him? So can you see here the expenses are divided. Here the expenses are divided. A man is having 1 crore rupees. Okay. So what he did for that rupees? He first of all he spent to buy a car. Then what he has done? He has buy a flat. And in the last he has used the amount to furnish the flat. So what we will do? First we will find all the expense, total expense. Okay, first we will find the total expense and then we will subtract from the money. We will get the leftover money. So first what you will write? Everyone you have to write first of all cost price to buy CP to buy a car. In the first line write CP to buy a car equals to 12,60,750. Wait, I'm just writing in a copy, okay? So you all can see. We are doing question number 8 now. Okay, now see here, question number 8. Okay, the questions I have posted in the teams, you can see their question. Okay, so first of all, the question is man had. Man had, how many rupees he had? Rupees 1 crore man had rupees 1 crore. Man had rupees 1 crore. Now the next condition is total expense. Now let's start finding the total expense of man. So how to find the total expense of man? So here's the expense to buy a car. Expense in purchasing a car equals rupees 12,60,750. This is the expense in purchasing the car. Now next expense in to buy a flat. Expense in buying a flat. So what is the expense in buying a flat? Is rupees 52,53,600. Where such sound is coming? Okay, now the last expenses, expense in furnishing the flat. Expense in furnishing the flat. Please mute everyone, mute. Lot of noise is coming. Okay, expense in furnishing the flat is rupees 5,68,440. So only these are the expenses. So what we will do, we will add all the expense. Add all the expense. So what we do, 0 plus 0 plus 0 will be 0. 5 plus 0 will be 5. 5 plus 4 will be 9. Now 6 plus 4 is 10 and 10 plus 7 is 17. So 7 we will write here. we will take one carry here. Now, say 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. 2, here 1 carry. Now, 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17 plus 1, 18. So 8, here 1 carry. Now, 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 0, here 1 carry. Now, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So, this is the total expense of a man. So, right in front of this, total expense of man equals to this much. So, up to here, is it clear? Up to here, what we have done? First, we
Yes.
have find out all the expense. Up to here, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, see the next step. Next step is man is having amount equals to rupees 1 crore. And now what he has done, from these rupees, he has used this much of rupees in his expenses. Okay, he is having 1 crore rupees and he has used 70,82,790 rupees in expenses. So now what amount is left? How we will find? We will subtract these and then we will find that whatever amount is left. So what we will do? Total expense of man equals to rupees 70,82,790. Let's subtract it. We will get 0 plus minus 0 will be 0. It will become 10. 10 minus 9 will be 1. It will become 9. 9 minus 7 will be 2. It will become 9. 9 minus 2 will be
7.
7. It will become 9. Yes. 7. Now again it will become 9. 9 minus 8 will be 1. It will again become 9. 9 minus 0 will be 9. Here again it will become 9 minus 7 is 2 and it will become 0. So this is the amount which is left to the man. So what you will write in the last? Rupees 29,17,210 was left with him. Is this clear? Is this question is clear now?
Yes.
Anyone
Yes,
is having any
yes.
doubts? Please ask.
No.
No.
Nope.
So the concept of selling price, cost price, profit, loss, all this is clear?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll continue this in the next class. I posted the same sheet on in the folder that is dated 12 August. Open the folder of 12 August. You will find all the questions. Okay. Just try to solve the next question. This is easy. This is the same question as we have done. Okay.
Okay.
If you are getting problem, then we will discuss that question in the next class.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Till then, let me check what happened in my laptop.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Have a good night.
It's morning.
Oh,
Okay. Morning,
Oh,
5
sorry.
o'clock.
Okay.
5:45. Okay.
Have a good
Bye-bye.
day.
Have a good morning.
Good night. Bye-bye.
You too. Have a good night. Good night, everyone. Bye. I've been left by myself without my teacher saying bye. was your teacher. They didn't even give a shit about you, Dad.
No.